Welcome to What's Cooking in Worcester. Today we're making butternut squash mac and cheese. We are heading into autumn. School has started. It's a busy season for a lot of us. And this season also has us craving comfort food. And this recipe for butternut squash macaroni and cheese really provides that comfort without sabotaging our health and fitness goals. We're gonna start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil. While our noodles are boiling, we're going to heat up 1 teaspoon of olive oil in our skillet. Our skillet is nice and hot now. Saute red pepper. There's about 2 medium-sized red bell peppers here and 1 medium-sized onion. I've already chopped these. We want to get the onions looking translucent. 5 minutes is all that should really take. We're gonna turn this off and drain the noodles. The onions and red pepper are cooked, so I'm also going to turn this off, and I'm just gonna sit this off to the side for now. Something I like to do prior to cooking or starting a new recipe is to have all the ingredients already laid out, chopped up, ready to go. Here I have our butternut squash ready and cubed up. I'm going to combine it with 1 cup of milk and 1 3/4 cups of chicken stock. We're gonna bring that to a boil. Now we're gonna let this boil gently for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Preheat the oven to 375. I'm going to spray my baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Put my noodles in the baking pan. Okay, our squash is soft, so I'm going to turn this burner off, and then we're going to transfer the squash and the milk mixture to our food processor. All right, let's dig in. This recipe is much better for you compared to traditional macaroni and cheese recipes, but it does not lack any of the flavor, the satisfaction that comes with macaroni and cheese. It's so creamy and rich and tastes delicious. Each serving has 300 calories and 15 grams of protein. 1 serving is 1.5 cups, and this makes about 10 servings, so it's perfect for meal planning or for a big family. To check out other healthy recipes and to learn more about our healthy programs such as Worcester Wellness Way and a Lifestyle Balance Diabetes Prevention Program here at the Worcester County Health Department, visit worcesterhealth.org, and remember to eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today.